Ever wondered about the specific words or phrases that, when said at just the right moment, can capture a woman's attention and spark her interest? Believe it or not, certain phrases can create an immediate emotional connection. In this video, we'll explore 3 powerful expressions that work as keys to attraction. They're rooted in neuroscience, specifically targeting the limbic system, the part of the brain that governs emotions. If you're ready to turn an ordinary conversation into a meaningful connection, keep watching. Many men miss out on deep connections in their relationships because they overlook the subtleties of effective communication. Instead of being active participants, they end up feeling chosen rather than choosing. Sound familiar? Engaging in meaningful dialogue is essential to making a memorable first impression and building a deeper connection. Think of this video as your guide. Not only will I share these 3 phrases to ignite genuine interest, but I'll also teach you how to use them in the right way. Remember, timing and delivery are everything. Misusing these phrases or saying them at the wrong time can backfire. So let's dive right in. And if you find this valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. Supporting the channel helps me bring you more content like this and lets the algorithm know this video is worth sharing. Let's get started. 1. The curiosity trigger. Curiosity is a potent emotional driver, and it's built into all of us. When you can spark someone's curiosity, you instantly gain their attention and often their interest. One way to do this effectively in conversation, especially when talking to someone new or someone you're interested in, is by using a curiosity-based phrase like, "I noticed something interesting on your profile." This simple line opens a door to intrigue. Think about it. By subtly implying there's something notable you've picked up on, you're engaging her natural desire to find out more. Curiosity has roots in neuroscience and psychology. When we encounter something we don't know, or something slightly mysterious, our brains become activated, seeking to resolve the unknown. When you say that you've noticed something, her mind will likely start racing through possibilities, wondering what detail caught your attention. She might think, "What did he notice? Was it something about my interests, my travels, my hobbies?" The magic here is that this line invites her into a playful guessing game, piquing her interest and creating a natural opportunity for further dialogue. To make this phrase effective, try to personalize it as soon as you've got her attention. For instance, if you notice she's into hiking or photography, bring up a playful or thoughtful comment around that. Maybe say, "I noticed you're a fan of hiking. Did you know about this amazing trail nearby?" This shifts the focus from small talk to a genuine connection, and she'll likely feel a greater emotional pull toward the conversation. Overall, phrases that spark curiosity allow you to stand out from the usual questions that many people rely on in conversations. They're much more engaging than saying, "How's it going?" or "What do you do for work?" This approach feels different. It shows that you've taken the time to notice her unique qualities. By tapping into her curiosity, you shift the interaction from an ordinary chat into a memorable and emotionally engaging exchange. 2. Confidence and assurance. Confidence is magnetic. It's no secret that women often feel attracted to men who are confident, assured, and secure in their sense of self. Confidence is more than just a personality trait. It's a behavior that communicates stability and security, qualities that many people desire in a partner. A powerful phrase that showcases this quality is, "Don't worry, I'll take care of it tomorrow." This statement is simple, yet it carries a lot of weight. It subtly tells her that you're dependable, proactive, and capable of handling things without creating unnecessary stress or drama. Imagine this scenario. She's stressed out about a minor issue, maybe something as simple as assembling a piece of furniture or dealing with a small task at home. Rather than joining in her stress or amplifying the issue, you can confidently reassure her that it's under control and you're ready to step up. This type of language projects calmness and stability, qualities that many women find deeply reassuring. It allows her to feel secure, knowing that you're someone who doesn't just talk about solutions, but actively provides them. This approach is part of what's often referred to as masculine energy. Masculine energy is typically about action, decisiveness, and providing solutions, which creates a sense of trust and reliability. It's essential, however, to come from a place of genuine confidence rather than trying to impress her. This confidence is rooted in self-respect, independence, and a desire for self-improvement rather than solely seeking her approval. By consistently showing up in this proactive way, you create an environment where she feels safe and valued, qualities that naturally foster a stronger emotional connection. And ultimately, when she knows she can rely on you, the relationship builds on trust, which is foundational to any meaningful connection. Confidence, paired with genuine assurance, is an attractive quality that adds a layer of depth and respect to your interactions. 3. The hint of desire. Creating romantic tension and attraction often comes down to introducing a hint of desire into your interactions. What differentiates a friendship from a romantic connection is the chemistry and attraction that build naturally over time. A phrase like, "I love your perfume," followed by something playful like, "I wonder if you smell this good everywhere," is an excellent example of how to weave attraction into your conversation subtly and effectively. It's a light-hearted, flirtatious comment that implies attraction without being overly direct or aggressive. Using this type of phrase in the right context can make her feel noticed and appreciated in a way that's different from platonic interactions. However, timing is critical. It's best to use this kind of phrase when you've already established some familiarity and comfort, after you've shared a few laughs or personal stories perhaps. Too early, and it might come across as too forward. But once a foundation is set, this playful compliment can spark her imagination and make her feel desired. Why is desire important? Desire is an emotional response that creates intimacy and strengthens the connection between two people. If you only discuss neutral or safe topics, you may end up being viewed as just a friend. But by adding a subtle element of attraction, you're signaling that there's potential for something deeper. It's about creating a balance, introducing desire without overwhelming her or making her uncomfortable. Subtle attraction cues, like a playful smile or an appreciative compliment, help build an underlying chemistry. This doesn't mean you're overtly expressing physical attraction. Rather, you're letting her know that you see her as someone special. And by keeping it light-hearted and respectful, you're also respecting her comfort level, which is essential for building a meaningful connection. A hint of desire, woven skillfully into the conversation, can be a powerful way to cultivate attraction while keeping things natural and genuine. And that wraps up today's video on using the power of language to build genuine connections and attraction. Remember, the words you choose and the way you deliver them can make all the difference in sparking curiosity, showing confidence, and hinting at desire. By applying these phrases thoughtfully, you can elevate your conversations and create memorable interactions that stand out. As you move forward, keep in mind that communication is an art that gets better with practice. Every genuine connection you make starts with a meaningful conversation, so don't be afraid to try out these phrases and see the impact they can have. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on building stronger relationships and effective communication. Your support not only helps the channel, but also tells the algorithm to share this content with others who could benefit. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear how these tips work for you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.